Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Xfinity box is showing a no signal message on your TV, it can be frustrating because everything seems connected but nothing appears on the screen. You might turn on the TV and cable box, yet you're stuck with a blank screen or an error message. This usually happens when there's a disruption between the TV, cable box, or signal source. It could be something as simple as the wrong input setting or a loose cable, but it can also be related to a temporary system glitch. Once the signal path is restored properly, your channels should come back instantly. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix the no signal issue on your Xfinity box. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your TV and ensure it is set to the correct input source. Step 2. Check that the Xfinity box is powered on and properly connected. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI or cable connection and reconnect it securely. Step 4. Restart the Xfinity box to refresh the signal. Step 5. Verify that the cable signal line is firmly connected. Step 6. Wait for the box to load and confirm the signal returns.